you're not ugly. The real problem is, you've got 7 silent habits that are secretly destroying your face every single day, and you don't even realize it. The bad news, if you don't fix them now, you'll keep aging faster than you should. But the good news, the fixes are simple. Do them right, and you'll start noticing a difference in just a few weeks. Let's get straight into it. 1. Touching your face. You probably don't even notice it, but you're touching your face 30 to 50 times a day. Scratching, leaning, rubbing your eyes. It all adds up. Here's the ugly truth. Your hands are filthy. You touch your phone, your keyboard, your steering wheel, door handles, and all that dirt and bacteria ends up on your skin. The result? Breakouts, clogged pores, greasy skin, and random pimples that seem to just appear. The fix is simple awareness. Every time your hand goes up, stop it. Wash your hands more often. Keep them off your face. Week in a week, you'll notice your skin clearing up. Not magic, just hygiene. 2. Chewing on one side. It sounds silly, but this one literally reshapes your face. If you always chew gum or food on one side, that side of your jaw becomes more developed. Over time, your face turns uneven. One cheek fuller, one flatter. And nothing kills attractiveness faster than facial asymmetry. So, train balance. When you chew, switch sides. Make it a habit. Over time, your jawline stays sharp, your face looks even, and symmetry, the #1 sign of beauty, stays in your favor. 3. Not getting enough sun. You can't glow if you never see daylight. Sunlight isn't just about vitamin D. It's about energy, testosterone, and your skin's natural tone. Stay inside too long, and your skin turns pale, your eyes dull, your vibe fades. Compare 2 guys, one who walks outside daily, and one who doesn't. The difference is instant. The outdoor guy has bright eyes, a healthy tan, and confident energy. The indoor guy, tired and lifeless. You don't need hours, just 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. Morning walks, workouts outside, even sitting by the window works. And yes, always wear sunscreen. You'll glow naturally, not artificially. 4. Bad sleep. Sleep isn't laziness, it's recovery. Every night you skip it, your face pays the price. Dark circles, puffy eyes, dull skin. That's your body screaming for rest. Think of the last all-nighter you pulled. Remember your reflection the next morning? Swollen, pale, lifeless. Now imagine doing that every single night. That's how most people live. Fix it. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Go to bed at the same time. And please, put your phone away an hour before sleep. Blue light kills melatonin, and melatonin is what keeps your skin youthful. Good sleep equals sharp jawline, glowing skin, fresh face. 5. Too much caffeine. Coffee isn't the villain, your dependency on it is. 3 to 4 cups a day might keep you awake, but it also dries your skin, dulls your glow, and destroys your sleep. Caffeine dehydrates, and dehydration makes your face look older. Plus, if your energy only comes from caffeine, you start looking jittery, not confident. So, control it. 1 cup a day, max 2. And for every cup of coffee, drink a full glass of water. Real energy comes from sleep, nutrition, and movement, not caffeine addiction. 6. High stress. Stress is like acid for your face. It spikes your cortisol, which leads to 3 nasty things: more fat, more breakouts, and lower testosterone. That's why during exams or tough times, your skin goes crazy and you look exhausted. You can't remove stress completely, but you can manage it. Work out, meditate, go for walks. Talk to people who make you laugh. The calmer your mind, the better your skin, posture, and energy become. Stress ages you, peace reverses it. 7. Blaming genetics. And this is the worst habit of all. So many guys look in the mirror, sigh, and say, "It's just genetics." No, it's not. That excuse is what's keeping you average. Genetics might set your foundation, but your habits decide the result. Your diet, your workouts, your sleep, your grooming, they all matter more than you think. Scroll online and you'll see transformations that look unreal. Those aren't people with perfect genes. They just fixed their habits. 80% of your looks are in your hands. Stop blaming, start building. Hit the gym, eat clean, sleep right, dress well, groom better, and your real face will appear. Thus, Italiano. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Your glow up starts today.